Hey tartlets, it's Iggy. Welcome back. It's here once again. Today only, we're having our custom kit sale. And if you guys aren't familiar with what our custom kit sale is, you basically get to choose 7 full-size products for only $63. And our international tartlets get up to 70% off. For 7 full-size items for only $63 is a pretty sane amount, considering the fact that this goes up to the value of $200. Like, it's a pretty good deal, guys. And what's also to really love about it is that you guys get so many options to choose from. So if you didn't want to choose the pink bag, you can choose something else, or you can stock up on your favorites, or maybe you want to gift to somebody. You know, the list goes on, and that's what's really nice about it, is that you get a nice variety and selection of products to choose from. I also want to mention to you guys that we do now offer Afterpay for our US tartlets on Tarte.com for any orders over 35 or more. So you guys can shop now, you can pay later in 4 easy payments every 2 weeks with no interest. Alright, so enough chit chat, let's go ahead and see what products I picked out for my custom kit. Starting off with this really cute bag. Look at this cute little tassel, it's like perfect. This is a great bag for travel. I feel like I can just throw this anywhere into my case, my carry-on, or even just taking it with me and leaving it in the car, because I feel like this is a pretty perfect everyday bag. Next product is our Shape Tape Matte Foundation. This stuff is wonderful. I love how it sits on my skin. It just really keeps my skin mattified and gives me a really beautiful even coverage. Next up is our Hamptons Weekender Contour Palette, and I absolutely love this palette. It's so perfect for travel. It's got a contour, it's got a blush, and it's got a highlight, so it's perfect for all over the face. Now for the eyes, I went ahead and chose our Tarteist Metallic Single Shadow, and this is in the shade Clueless. This is beautiful. Also for the eyes, I went ahead and picked up our Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. This is a perfect everyday mascara for every day. I just love this, plus the packaging is super cute, and this is a good mascara for me to use, even when I'm just not wearing like a full face or anything, like just popping this on with a few light coats of this, I'm good to go. I went ahead and picked up our Lip Sculptor, and this is a double-ended lipstick and lip gloss, so as you can see, it's got a lippy here, and then you get a gloss on the other end here. Super pretty. And I went ahead and picked up the shade Candid. So for one of the items I chose, I got the hair goals. This is our dry shampoo. This is the full size, and I swear by this stuff. Like, I get pretty oily, so when I have an opportunity to just whip this out and just spray a few little sprays into my hair, I'm good for the rest of the day. Alright guys, and that's everything I picked out for my custom kit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and beat this face. Alright guys, and that completes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head over to Tarte.com right now to create your very own custom kit. You're getting all these amazing products for only $63, so you guys want to head over to Tarte.com and get them immediately while supplies last, because once they are gone, they are gone. Thanks for staying tuned guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.